All right, here's a problem that takes on the notion of points, lines, and planes, but that uses some probably unfamiliar notation. So it says, which of the following expressions is not equivalent to CD? So CD is gonna be this section here. It's a segment rather. That's the right term. Let me see if I can make it a little more straight there. Okay. So let's look at some of the ones that appear to be easier first. So I'm going to start with the second one just because there's only two things to consider. Okay. Now this symbol means intersection. So it's the intersection of AD, which is a segment. So I'm gonna take this and put it in green, and maybe we'll do it above AD. I think it's wise to use this straight line. So AD, just to help us identify the space that we're looking at. And then CD is a line. So CD, the line, because of this little arrow symbol, refers to, let's go ahead and use, let's use purple, whoops. We'll leave that one as purple. That's AD, and then let's see if it lets me switch over to, let's switch over to the green. So CD, and it's line CD. So let's put that over here. And this goes, for forever in that direction. Now the intersection given by this symbol is the thing that the purple and the red have in common. Well, the purple and the red have this region in common, which amounts to this. So that's correct. We can go ahead and we'll fill it in, or you can check mark it. So that one works because the purple and the blue, where they meet, is in CD. Okay, so I'm going to erase those if I can here. All right, so we've, I think, agreed that that one works. Let's go ahead and look at this next one. So AB, and that's a line segment because of the arrow. So let's symbolize it with orange, AB. So it's this line that's going to go this way. And it should have an arrow because it goes on. And it's the intersection with CD. So CD is, let's go with maroon. So it's just this little maroon piece here. So maybe I went a little too far there, but I think it still works. Well, they intersect. Well, they intersect right here, which is identical to CD. So that's also going to work. And I'm going to erase just because it can get real messy. All right, now let's look at this one. The intersection of CE and CD, those are two segments. So CE is from here to here. CE and CD. Okay, well, where do they intersect. Oops, where do they intersect? Well, here, which is identical to this space, so that works as well. So let me erase and then select here. This one has a lot more going on. Now we want the union of AC and CD. Union means you take them together. So AC is this piece. But if you make the union with CD, then you're actually joining it to CD, which is that piece. So you're joining those two pieces. That's what this is telling you. Now BD is this segment. Now the green and the red, we're being asked to look at the intersection. The green and the red, they actually have all this in common, which is more than just this. So this is not gonna get selected. And that's how you approach these kinds of problems. And hopefully that notation makes a little more sense now.